Welcome to Best Practices, our series highlighting the concepts you need to know to help solve highly specialized building envelope challenges. In this video, we're going to show you the tips and best practices for detailing a fenestration or window opening using Siplast WALLcontrol reinforced butyl-adhered flashing.
This product is part of the Siplast WALLcontrol portfolio. This includes our premium AWB products, polyiso insulation, and wall flashings. Ensuring a successful installation is about understanding details. So let's cover some commonly asked questions. First question, what is WALLcontrol reinforced aluminum flashing? Siplast WALLcontrol reinforced aluminum butyl-adhered flashing is a self-adhered, impermeable membrane built for performance. This product is flexible, durable, and ideal for high-temperature areas like south-facing facades, parapets, and under metal copings. In this demonstration, we are flashing around a window opening. Next important question, what are the steps and techniques to properly install reinforced aluminum flashing? When installing our products, always make sure to wear personal protective equipment and follow the safety data sheet guidelines. When flashing a window opening, we start with flashing the sill. Cut the aluminum flashing to span the opening plus a minimum of 3 inches up each jamb. The membrane should also extend deep enough into the rough opening to be beyond the inner surface of the fenestration frame, allowing for an interior sealant joint. Next, remove the release liner gradually and press the membrane firmly into place. At the substrate face, cut along the jamb towards the sill to form the vertical leg of the sill pan. Be careful not to damage the AWB membrane below. Starting from the center of the sill, pull the flashing out and down onto the face of the wall, over the AWB. Continue to work outward to the corners. Be sure to J-roll the flashing into place once finished. Next, move on to the jambs. Measure your membrane to allow for at least 3 inches of overlap onto the sill, full jamb height, and 3 inches onto the head. Starting at the top of the jamb, apply the flashing progressively, removing the liner, working downward, and pressing it into place. Be sure to extend the flashing deep enough into the opening to extend beyond the interior plane of the opening. At the substrate face, cut horizontally along the head towards the jamb to form the outward leg of the jamb flashing. Working from the center, pull the flashing out and down onto the face of the wall, over the AWB. Continue to work outward to the corners. Be sure to J-roll the flashing into place once finished. Once the jambs are complete, flash the head. Cut a piece of flashing so that it extends a minimum 1 inch past each side of the jamb flashings. Install the flashing above the head of the rough opening so that it overlaps and extends a minimum of 1 inch past the top of the jamb flashing. The flashing should also extend deep enough into the opening to reach beyond the inner surface of the fenestration frame to allow for an interior sealant joint. Cut vertically at the substrate face along the jamb towards the head to form the inward leg. Continue to work outward to the corners. Once all of the aluminum flashing is attached, ensure that it is fully adhered with a J-roller. Seal the corners with Siplast liquid flashing or an approved sealant, then tool a minimum of 2 inches from the corners for continuity. So that's an overview for installing WALLcontrol reinforced aluminum flashing. Here's a summary of best practices. Always start with a clean, dry surface. Firmly press the flashing into place using a J-roller. Integrate with your wall's air and water resistive barrier. Maintain a continuous, unobstructed downward drainage path, no reverse lapse. And above all, consult the Siplast installation guides and reference material on every project. Thanks for watching. For more guidance and step-by-step installation videos, visit siplast.com or connect with your local Siplast representative. Siplast is with you every step of the way.